English idioms are special expressions that native speakers use every day. Under the weather is one of the most common idioms you will hear. This idiom has a very specific meaning that is different from the literal words. Under the weather means feeling sick or unwell. When someone says they are under the weather, they mean they do not feel good physically. It describes mild illness like a cold or flu symptoms. This idiom comes from sailing ships long ago. When sailors felt sick during bad storms, the captain sent them below deck. This put them literally under the weather to rest and recover. Listen to these common examples. I am feeling under the weather today. She called in sick because she was under the weather. Notice how people use this idiom instead of saying they have a specific sickness. Here are two more natural examples. I called in sick because I was under the weather. The kids are under the weather today, so they stayed home from school. Both show everyday conversations. Now practice using the idiom yourself. Try this sentence. Sorry, I missed practice. I was feeling under the weather. Say it out loud a few times to remember how it sounds in real conversation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.